Are you looking for the top 5 best smartphone gimbals on Amazon? Which smartphone gimbal is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, DJI Osmo Mobile 8. Let's kick things off with the DJI Osmo Mobile 8. Right off the bat, the sleek design and advanced tracking features caught my eye, especially with a price tag of $125. If you want to capture your moments like a pro, this gimbal is worth a serious look. This gimbal offers native tracking with audio and lighting, so your subjects stay in focus and well lit, which is perfect for those outdoor adventures or vlogs. The seamless 360-degree rotation allows you to follow your subjects freely, giving you creative shots with any hassle. Plus, the built-in extension rod and tripod mean you can set it up anywhere. Imagine capturing family gatherings or epic travel moments without needing extra gear. The 10-hour battery life is another bonus, letting you shoot for hours without worrying about recharging. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it feels a bit heavy for extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your content creation, that stability is worth a little extra weight. It's really a trade-off between comfort and professional results. This is perfect for you if you're a serious content creator or someone who values high-quality footage. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and compact for casual use. Product number 2, DJI Osmo Mobile 7. Next up, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile 7, priced at a more budget-friendly $59. This caught my eye due to its lightweight design and built-in tripod, making it super portable. If you're looking for stability without breaking the bank, this is an excellent choice. The Osmo Mobile 7 uses a robust 3-axis stabilization system to keep your shots smooth, even if you're on the move. The Active Track 7.0 feature is a game changer, allowing you to keep your subject in focus no matter how you move. With 10 hours of battery life and the ability to charge your phone while filming, it's perfect for those long days when you don't want to miss a moment. Some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to balance with larger phones, but honestly, if you follow the setup instructions, it's not a deal breaker. Just keep in mind that it might take a little practice to get it just right. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner content creator or someone who enjoys capturing family events. Skip this one if you want advanced features or are planning to use it with a larger phone. At $59, it's a fantastic.
Product number 3, DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Now let's talk about the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. The price is a bit of a mystery since it's listed as NA, but it's been gaining traction with over 2,000 sold recently. This one really caught my attention because of its multifunctional capabilities and built-in extension rod. If you're into serious video production, you'll want to keep an eye on this. What stands out is its intelligent tracking and dual lens tracking features. You can capture pro-level shots with minimal effort. The built-in lighting is a thoughtful addition for those low-light situations, ensuring your videos always look their best. The gimbal is easy to set up, and the 10-hour battery ensures you can shoot for as long as you need. However, some users find it a bit complicated to set up initially, especially if they are new to gimbals. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the features really pay off, especially for those wanting to step up their video game. This is perfect for you if you're a serious videographer or content creator looking for advanced features. Skip this if you're just looking for something to
Product number 4, Come and Talk L7C Pro. Next, we have the Come and Talk L7C Pro, which is priced at a very attractive $29.99. I love how its low price doesn't skimp on features, making it ideal for newcomers. If you're just starting out with videography, this is a fantastic option. With its upgraded 3-axis stabilization, this gimbal turns shaky footage into smooth, cinematic shots. It's lightweight and portable, so you can easily toss it in your bag and take it anywhere. The AI tracking feature is a game changer, letting you engage with your subject without manual adjustments, which is great for spontaneous filming. One downside, though, is the battery life, which isn't as long as some of the pricier options. It may not last a full day of shooting, but for casual use and the price point, it's an excellent trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone looking for an affordable option. Skip this if you need something for more professional or extended use.
Product number 5, Aochuan Smart XE. Finally, let's check out the Aochuan Smart XE, priced at $51.99. This one is designed for versatility and ease of use, making it great from casual vloggers to more serious content creators. The Smart XE has a unique focus wheel, allowing for more creative control over your shots. It's compact and foldable, which makes it easy to carry around. Plus, the AI face tracking feature is super helpful for ensuring your subject is always in focus, which is perfect for TikTok or YouTube creators. However, some users have said that the setup can be a bit complex at first, but I think once you figure it out, it's well worth the effort, especially if you want that extra level of control for your videos. This is perfect for you if you're a vlogger or someone who loves shooting videos on the go. Skip this if you want a straightforward, no-frills. So there you have it, the top 5 smartphone gimbals on Amazon. From the advanced DJI Osmo Mobile 8 to the budget-friendly Comatalk L7C Pro. There's something for everyone depending on your needs and budget. Remember, the right gimbal can make all the difference in capturing those precious moments with stability and style.